Hi, it's Bernadette.
It's Hannah. Hi.
Hi. This is our April 2021 No Buy Year update. I'm recording my screen, that's why this is here again. We bought groceries this month. Boy, did I ever buy groceries. I highlighted this one thing here in red because it was something I said I wasn't going to buy. It was the dishwasher detergent. It's a cleaning product. I wasn't going to buy any cleaning products this year, but we made an executive decision.
I do not do hand dishes very well.
When I bought it, I was having an excessive amount of overtime, like 6 13-hour days in a row. I couldn't keep up with washing dishes by hand. Hannah was the dishwasher and runs it, so I'm fine with that. That $21.89 on Costco dishwasher detergent, I have no regrets. Do you?
No, because you'll make me redo hand dishes again and again and again.
And we also made an executive decision. Instead of taking Ubers to and from the store, or we looked at it, and it's $100 a year for Instacart. That's 5 Uber trips. So we just counted the Instacart fee as 5 Uber trips. As you know, we'd only spend a minimal amount until now on groceries, and we were out of some things, and I had Instacart, and I got a little overzealous with the Instacart. I ended up spending $1,479 on groceries.
It looks like you spent that much.
We are very, very, very stocked up, and we will not need groceries again for a very long time. We had January, February, March, April. That's 4 months. The total for groceries for 4 months is still just under $2,000, which our budget is $6,000 a year, so $500 a month. So we're still right on track.
And the difference with this bill is she bought things that are easier. Like, instead of making things from scratch, which is more cost effective, she bought a lot more easy things to make.
Because of the overtime.
Yeah.
And also the fibromyalgia. There's just days where even if I work 8 hours, by the end of the day, I'm useless. So.
And I have really bad executive dysfunction. If there's too many steps, no.
So I did. I bought a lot of easy foods because the perishables that I have to make myself go bad. And I also bought more grass-fed beef.
Fucking delicious. Love it.
More fish and lamb, and
also delicious. Wherever she got the ground beef, so good. So good.
It was an expensive grocery bill, but we're still on track, and I don't regret it. Due to overtime, we had takeout 3 times this month, totaling $138.29. In the first 3 months of the year, we only had takeout 1 time. I didn't spend any money on my own joy. Hannah only did 1 small thank you of $6. That was really good. I put our Instacart fee under the Uber. And no dermatology for me. I did spend money on supplements, vitamin D and magnesium, $105.98. I did go to physio 1 time, so $80. I didn't go to therapy again. Hannah bought some stuff. She got Pepper. Do you want to show them Pepper?
Yeah. Pepper is a red-kneed tarantula, and my friend at school does wet taxidermy, and she had her dead tarantula named Pepper, and I paid her to make me a thing, and I love it. I want a pet tarantula. It's so cute!
I love her little feet.
You can see her little eyes too, and her little paws, because tarantulas have paws. But yeah, she hangs out in my sewing room, and she brings me joy.
Then she bought some film to make wings for her.
We're calling it the Tinkerbell dress. It was cellophane. It's to heat gun onto bent metal hangers to shrink it around.
So that was $65.90 from her photo shoot budget. And then Hannah didn't have any dates. I spent money on the snakes, which I haven't done so far this year, $11.39 on Polysporin for Mr. Peanut. Maybe you can tell them about these.
Oh, grad gifts for myself because I'm not getting a ceremony. I bought an arm, to hold my phone, and I decided I really didn't like it, but then my mom might use it, so I gave it to her. and I bought the same exact model of the one that broke because it is superior in every way and way easier to use. And then a keyboard tray because my desk is so cluttered. It's a dining room table. So I got like a thing to put my keyboard and stuff under to make it neater, and then I got a Gorilla tripod for streaming and shooting videos in my room because this tripod does not fit.
I bought a Zappy thermometer. That is one of those ones you point and click to check the temperature. So I bought that for $35.99 because that was the cheapest one that I'd ever seen. Because normally they're like $100. So combined, we spent $184.41 on housewares and electronics. For me, for other things, I bought medication, face masks. I bought underwear, but then when I order things like this, Hannah's always like, "Oh, that's cute."
It doesn't mean I want it.
Sometimes she does want it. So I bought extras just in case I open them up, and then Hannah's like, "Oh." So, and then I bought Hannah, you want to show them that thing?
No, he'll show up next time. The surprise.
I bought her a little owl. She picked it out when we were at the store getting my drugs. What did you buy here?
I got a microphone stand that like puts the mic in the air because mine gets in the way of streaming and I have to put it in weird places and I don't want to break it. So I got that. I have an addiction to command strips, but I rearranged my room a bit. So I needed to put like hooks and stuff on the walls. So I bought command strips. And then I got a snack cart. And no one can tell me that was a bad idea because it's a wheelie snack cart and it has tea on it.
Then I had to buy snacks for it. I didn't have to buy snacks for it, but
she wanted to participate.
Internally, she ordered that thing. She showed it to me. And then through the magic of Instacart, I got snacks.
Yep.
Yeah.
I've had botched dental work done, and this is one of the fillings from it. It broke and fell out. So I had to get it redone at a different dentist because obviously I'm not going to go to the one that did botched fillings and shattered my tooth. So that cost $109. No, it was $198.
Oh, I thought you said 109. Okay, so that changes everything. Now I have to do some math.
And insurance wouldn't cover it. That was all out of pocket.
We're back. I had to fix the math,
It was painful.
but it's done.
She doesn't know how to Excel.
I'll make a better Excel sheet next year. Our total expenditures for April was $2,634.16. I spent $2,112 of that, and Hannah spent $521 of that. So far for groceries for the year, right on spot with our budget, but just a little over $4,000 left for groceries for the year. And this is our combined totals for our totals Hannah spent this year and what I spent this year and our combined total of expenditures for the year. What do you think about this so far?
We're doing good.
I think so too. So we did 4 times the takeout for the year. We have 8 times left for the year. I still have this $150 left I can spend on myself when I want to. Hannah's small thank you budget, out of $150, she's got $65.60 left. We still have 17 Uber rides we can do. We did 7 for the whole year since we counted Instacart as 5. We didn't spend money on this dermatology at all. There's no budget for it. I've got no supplement budget. I'm just tracking that because I want to, and so this year I spent $559 on supplements. That's usually what I spend in a month, so I'm pretty proud of that for supplements. I've been really careful with that. Pedicures, I haven't got any. Physio, I've spent $240 this year. I could go 9 more times. Therapy, I haven't done that at all. I don't want to spend money on it. Photo shoots, Hannah's got $534 left I've spent on that. Dates, Hannah has $470 to spend on dates. Snakes, there's no budget, but this year we've spent $439.24 on the snakes. In 4 months, that averages just a little over $100 a month to own 4 snakes.
4.
Yeah, so that, I think that people are always like, oh, it's the exotic pets, it's so expensive.
The snake itself isn't expensive. It's the light bulbs. The light bulbs are the most expensive.
We don't have a budget for electronics or housewares, but that's how much we've spent this year, and this is how much we've spent on other things, incidentals, dentist, toys, medication, masks, school supplies. Anything else you want to say about this no buy year?
The challenge is ultimately live below your means, right?
And to not buy certain things, right? Like neither of us have bought any cosmetic items. That's not even on our
That's
budget.
been so hard.
That has been really hard for both of us.
Yeah, but that's that much less stuff.
That's right, and that's the whole point, right?
Yep.
Alrighty, so that's April.
On to May.
Here we go, May.
Help us.
Choose.
Hi, I'm Baby Mouse, and I am a subscription noodle. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Okay, I sleep now.